baro ngi pediang subhai pi shakathup khubor mata ka janmit shwaban phash ki khubor ki babania ngi nya pet chwai ki mat ba kong san play pajba ka president kari ka Draupadi Murmu ya ka Festival of Library Arajar Arpulai ong bala penroi ka National Virtual Library ka India ban pen urlong ka jingyo I jangai jong ka we kari ka we ka digital library Ong Umintri rang badu kari Narendra Modi baka mat bak mat tam jong ka sarkar ka jong u kalong ban penbiang jing sumar yaki nong shong shnong ki baduk. Ong usimbut Mintri rang ba ka jela badru badai pet ya katanat ki kampo yeng ba Preston Tensong baka sarkar kadang yai up ban yo jubab na ka HNLC na benta ka wat ka baar jong ka jing ya kren yasuk. Bat penlong jing yai pajba ka Catholic Association of Shillong Hanong ba ban dawa ya jing wan pai biang ka jing shong sup shong san ha Manipur bat rai ban pha jing tho sha ka president kari ki khubor ki babania ka president kari ka Draupadi Murmu klapli pajba ya ka Festival of Libraries Arhajar Arpulai ha pragati Maidan Hanong ba Delhi ha kani ka tamasa ka ba arsngi ka bala penya da katanat Ministry of Culture la pen I pajba ya ki library ki ba paunam na baro ka we ka perthei ban sedang ya ka jing yakren halor ka jing penthamai bat penlong digital ya ki library ha India ha ba jing kren ha kani ka sngi ka Murmu ka laong ba ka jing roy jong ki library ka ya dei ba ka jing roy jong ka imlang lang bat रीति दस्तूर
ये सभ्यताओं और संस्कृतियों की उन्नति का पैमाना भी हेतु होता है आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव मनाने तथा अमृत काल में भारत को विकसित राष्ट्र बनाने के प्रयासों में कल्चर ऑफ रीडिंग यानी स्वाध्यायों की संस्कृति को प्रोत्साहित करने का ये प्रयास बहुत उपयोगी सिद्ध होगी
Umintri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ula ong baka mat ka bahak mat tam jong ka sarkar ka jong u ka long ban penbiang jing sumari ki para shen rang bat kin thei baduk ha baro ka we kari Modi ula ong baka jing thmu bahak mat tam jong ka sarkar ka long ban penbit penbiang ye ki lat sumar ye ki nong shong shnong baduk ha kari ha ba jubab halor ka jing kren jong Umintri ka tanat ka kot ka khia ka sarkar pedeng Modi ula penpau ya ka jing sngaw hun badaki klur ngut ki nong shong shnong kari kilayo jing mentoy leng ba ki digital facilities balapan mi dakatanat ka kot ka khia Usimbot Mintri rang ba ka jela batru uba pet ya katanat ki kampo yeng uba Preston Tensong ulaong baka sarkar ka long ka balapan kre ban penlong ya ka wat ka baar jong ka jing kren ya suk bat ka seng hinyaw trap National Liberation Council habya kren bat kilat pathai khubor uba Tensong uong bat uban baka sarkar jela kadang up ban yo jubab na ka HNLC na ka benta ban penlong ya ka wat ka baar jong ka jing kren ya suk
Government is dedicated, both central and state government. So now the ball is with the HNLC court. They need to respond it. And the first formal talk has already happened where all the issues has been discussed. So now we are waiting again for the next meeting. From the government side, we are ready, but we leave it ultimately to their decision to be taken by the leaders of the organization.
Usimbot Mintri rang ba ka jela badru badai pet ya katanat ki kampo yeng uba Preston Tensong hanin kesngi ula ong baka sarkar jela kamla ban bu pulit haki jaka bami jeng klumar ha block 1 namar ki hap hapo ka jing pet jang ka sarkar Assam kinong shong shnong ki bana West Giant Hills ki bakin thup ya ki seng bhalang kila dawa na ka sarkar ban penbiang ya ki jing yada ya ki pajba ba shong basa ha block 1 nakada jong ka jing thombor ki lekno karbi
We already have the system in place where any person who does not happen. Block 1 is under the administrative control of Assam. How can we deploy police, Meghalaya police to Assam? At best what we can do is our Chief Minister will talk to the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that's it.
Ka Catholic Association of Shillong kabla penyaso bat ka All India Catholic Union kalarai ban pha jing tho sha ka President Kari halor ka jing yaken at ha Manipur hadien bala penlong ya ka jing ya pat ba jarjar kabla penlong ha ka nong ba mata ka sngi la penlong ya ka ni ka jing ya pat ba ka jarjar ban penrem ya ka jing sha le ben ki kinthai ha Manipur bat kirmen ban wan phai biang ka shong suk shong san ha ka jilla ta ki hajar ngut ki samla bat ki khana school kilara ya ka jing tho ban ya shimbenta ha ka ni ka jing ya pat ba kabla dang namadan yaw reng hep kabadan halat umkra hajan fire brigade hakani ka jingyat pat ba la ai jingkren da i president ka Catholic Association of Shillong i JA Lingdo but secretary ka KJCLF i Reverend Edwin H Kharkangor baro arngut kilakintu ban pinkut no ya ka jingyakan ad ha Manipur.
And this is specific purposely for the people who are in Manipur because of the incident that has happened.
So in this rally we want to share, we want to show to the people of Manipur and also to others, especially the people in authority who has their responsibility and who should take their responsibility in whatever way they have to take to end this violence.
Usimbut Menteri Rangba ke jela bat ru badai pet ya katanat ki kampo yang ba Preston tensong hanin ke sniu la pentip bat ula batha ki pulet ban but dia ya ki bedon kti ha ka ban pen ya ka social media page kata ka Legal Rights Observatory la ban pen kan mau ba min ha ka arp sautri unaitung ka ken hon ka bakin thup ya katu kaningut ki briu kila shot la dat ya ka we ka nong shong dukan ukhun jongka bat ya ki bawan money blay ha yeng mane Mahadev Khola Temple Henry hadian kane ka jingjia kamde kane ka jingjia kamde ka jingya phe Ben Rio kat kum ka jing batai ki pulit kat ba ka Legal Rights Observatory kala ken tho ba ki ba le ya kane ki de ki khot ka Khasi Students Union lane KSU uba tin song ula ben rap ba ki pulit kila ya shakmat ban but dien ya ki badon kti ban tho ha ka page Legal Rights Observatory.
It has got nothing to do religiously. It has got nothing to do with any particular religion. But you see in the social media, I have seen it. They are top. And one so-called organization, LRO, lot of comments they made. And now I've given the instruction to the police department, track these people. Who are these people? I've seen the comment they made so much, which I personally feel, these people, they are not at all a true residents of India. If they are, they cannot just give such an irresponsible statement.
Kumshi binta jong ka jing rakhe jong ka jing dap arsnem jong ka jing rakhe ya ka jing dap nyopusan snem jong ka jing light luat kari hapo ka shatri jong ka azadi ka amrit mahotsav ka North Eastern Council ka lapenlong ya ki program ki bapher bat kumshi binta jong ka ne lasdang ya ka NEC Invitational Football Tournament mata ka sngi hamadan polo ka badon hanong ba Shillong ya ka ne ka limpung ya le kai football la play the secretary ka NEC uke Moses Chalai hakani ka limpung lawan baya shimbenta da khandai tili ki kinhun but on penkut haka khatsan terik mentau benai.
Exciting and very, very historical times that the country is going through this 75 years of our independence. And therefore, this 1 year celebration has been very important and it's going to culminate by 15th of this month. Therefore, we are, as I said, we are living in historical times. And to commemorate and to remind ourselves and to recall all that sacrifices and who and our countrymen, our forefathers, who have done so much to give us this precious, very, very precious freedom, we are celebrating this.
Mentapat nginyapet ya ka jinglong jingman kasun meneng ha Shillong ka jing shet kalong arpusau point riu degree Celsius bat ka jing kriat kalong khat nyau point khandai degree Celsius ka jing ngem ka hau kalong prapu nyau nak shi spa min step ban nyau pusan nak shi spa jan mit ka jing hap slap kalong iway point khandai millimeters kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka ba malumala bat ka jing tiet uperthat hakikat to ka neki jaga Shwaban poi shaka bakot jong ka thup kubol nginyapet biang sashi sien ye kimat bakongsan Lepat ba ka President Kari ka Draupadi Murmu ya ka Festival of Library Arhajar Arpulai ong balapan roy ka National Virtual Library ka India ban pen urlong ya ka jingyo i jngay jong ka way Kari ka way ka Digital Library. Ong Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi bakamat bahakmat tam jong ka sorkar ka jong u ka long ban penbiang jing sumar ya ki nong shong shnong ki baduk. Ong usembut Menteri Rang Ba ka jela batru badai pet ya katanat ki kampo yeng ba Preston Tinsong baka sorkar kadang yai up banyo jubab na ka HNLC na benta ka wat ka ba jong ka jing kren yasuk. Bat penlong jing yai pai ba ka Catholic Association of Shillong Handong Ba bandawa ya ka jing wan pai biang ka jing shong suk shong san ha Manipur bat rai ban pha jing tho sha ka President Kari. Te parlok dak itu ki kubor ngila poi sha ka bakut jong ka thup kubor jungi menta ka janmiet hadu bang de syam biang bat phi la shai ka sngi ka blei phi baro.
The Indian Air Force invites online applications from unmarried Indian male and female candidates for selection test for Agniveer Vayu intake